Hey guys, Varmati here. How you all doing? So in this video, I'm going to show you the top features of the One UI 9. As you all know, One UI 9 is just around the corner, and Samsung will push that update to all the latest Samsung devices in a couple of months. And there are a few interesting changes which I'll show you right now. So without any further ado, let's begin with this new video. So the number one change that I've seen is in the control panel. As you can see, the layout has been changed a little bit. The brightness and volume slider are now bigger, which is easier to access, very easy to move them, right? And the dark mode and the volume buttons are now separate. So when you click on edit button, as you can see, there are a lot more resizable options to each and every toggle which is over here. You can also move the volume and the dark mode column across anywhere. So this is a new customization which looks really cool, really great, and I think this is a welcome change from Samsung, and everybody will definitely love it. Another thing that is changed in this control panel is the way the music icon or even whatever is playing on your phone, be it video or audio, it shows in this particular format, in this waveform format. It looks really cool, really beautiful, and the album art is there in the background. Definitely a really nice looking change that many people were asking for. And also this change translates to the lock screen. So as you can see over here, even on the lock screen, we have this waveform kind of a format which is really beautiful, and when you click on it, it expands, and again when you move it, this is how it looks. It looks really pretty, I would say, and everybody is going to love this new change which is there in the lock screen. Another new change that has happened in the lock screen. So over here we now have two separate type of font which actually adapt as per the wallpaper which is there on the screen, and it looks really beautiful. As you can see, the wallpaper is the clock is actually adapting as per the subject which is there on the lock screen, and this is really beautiful. We have an additional font over here which does the same. So again, next level customization given by Samsung in this One UI, and you are definitely going to love this as well. So I'll save this. Now going forward, the next changes that Samsung has done is to the calling menu, and I will show it to you just in about a moment. So when you go over here and if you just want to change the way a contact looks, so there is a new way over here. When you go into the edit option and you go into profile cards, now there are ways to use creative studios. You can just copy any profile picture that you want and you can click on generate. So depending on what style you have choose, the app will actually create a profile card for this, and whenever you call that particular person, it will look amazing. This is a really new way of interacting with the person who is calling you, and I believe this is something which people are going to love. So as you can see, the images that I have uploaded, this is how it has created, and when I click on done, this will be the profile card. It will show when a call will come from this number. Very nice, very creative way of giving customization options to the customer. Another new change which is there in One UI is you can now track your driving. Now to activate this, we need to go in settings, move into connected devices, and when you scroll down, there is the driving report. Now this is very specific to Samsung device. So if you connect your device to your car and via Bluetooth, the driving information will be stored next time you start driving, and it will give you key information such as the driving time, the average speed, if you had you done rush driving or everything. So this is a very new kind of concept, right, baked in your device. You don't need Google Maps or Apple Maps for this to work, and I think this will be really important for insurance claims later on probably. So this is a very new thing, and I think everybody is going to love this new update which will come in the One UI 9. Another very important thing that has come is in the camera. Now you can use the camera to dual recording using front and the rear camera. So to do that, we need to go in the video settings, and when we click on this four dots over here, you see this option or this icon. When you click on this, you can see various aspect ratios in which you can do this. Very common will be this, where it will split the screen into two halves, and you can use the camera to record using the front and the rear camera simultaneously. This is a very welcome feature, and I think every single person is going to love this. Another very important feature that One UI 9 brings up is showing the network speed indicator over here. So I'll just show you how to activate this. You go into Goodlock, you need the Goodlock application for that, and when the Goodlock application is open, you enter the quick start section, and here there is an option of visibility of indicator icons. When you click on this and you activate the network speed and you go back, you start seeing the network speed that is going to be used by your device, which is fabulous. This is also useful during Wi-Fi or even on network, so both of them options are there, and this is a really nice feature. You comment if you want a detailed video on GoodLock, the new GoodLock app which is there, then you can give you write it in the comments below, and I'll definitely try to make a new video about this. So yeah guys, this is all about the new One UI 9 that will come to all the Samsung devices later on. Right now it is there on my Fold Ultra already, so this is the reason I am able to show it to you. This is the final version of it, this is not a beta version, so as you all know. So this is going to be the new One UI 9 that all the Samsung devices will get, and I am sure each and every one of you is going to love this new feature set which are going to come. So yeah guys, this was the video. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.